It's software update time. Today we are pulling in 2020.24.6.9, and we'll be back with a quick look, and then later on a deep dive. Kacey here. My vehicle has just downloaded 2020.24.6.9, which is interesting because a lot of people are starting to receive 2020.28. something, and let's see what's in here, give it a quick look, see if it's worth doing a deep dive on it, or if we should just wait for the next one. I mean, probably obviously install it, but let's see what Tesla put in it. It's a 2018 Model X P100D pre-Raven. All right, they didn't mess with the music. And our release notes read: the traffic light and stoplight control feature no longer requires explicit driver confirmation. We're pulling stock. Okay, so that seems the same. Yeah, that's the same. I was hoping that it would be like 2020.28, where the 5-mile-an-hour limit has been called out as having been removed. I would even remember the air was off. Ugh. Oh, the backup camera improvements, there's nothing new there. Dash cam, tune in, walk away door lock, new language, minor improvements. So this looks like a completely minor update. They didn't call anything out. Charging is still overlapping the car. So there we have a look at the new Tesla software update 2020.24.6.9. If you look down below, you see a little link to our Patreon. Every bit helps. And my wife has put up some shirts for the channel if you want to take a look and see at all the merch that she's made by now. And we'll catch you on the flip side. Some people saw a note about Sirius Xm Improvements on their release notes. It says, in this release, we have made improvements to the interface of Sirius XM to allow easier usability and discovery of stations, enhanced categorization of content, and improved the overall navigation experience. Please note, you must have an active subscription to listen to Sirius XM. Please see the subscription tab for details. Other people saw a note about range display. Your car will now display a slightly higher range to more accurately reflect the capacity of the battery. Some people saw a note about supercharger improvements. It said, your car is now able to charge at V3 superchargers at up to 225 kilowatt peak rates. As usual, when you navigate to a supercharger, your car will condition the battery during the drive so that it can charge faster. This only affected Model S and Model X. And as we saw in the news this week, Tesla has actually updated the Model S and Model X physically. So if you have a brand new car, to charge at 250 kilowatt. And then, of course, the same update about the cabin camera opt-in on the Model 3s as well, the Model Y. If you like these videos from software updates and supercharger reviews and everything else about Tesla and EV ownership, please subscribe below. Turn that red subscribe button below gray. And here are some videos that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy.